Hello again, Texas history students. This is your tutorial for how to complete your assignment for Monday and Tuesday. We're going to start with going again to your MySpring ISD, and then of course we're going to open our Google Mail, which I have open right here, and then we're going to go back and open your Schoology, and then I have my Schoology open right here. Of course, you're going to go down here and we're going to find our Texas history course. Your last number is the period of your class, and then you're going to look for Miss Moore, and then you're going to click on that to open it. It's going to take a couple of minutes to load, and if you notice, your particular class period is now going to have a different picture, so it's going to be a little bit easier to tell apart from your other classes. And then you're going to have your assignments. They're going to pop up as soon as it turns to the next day. And we're going to go down here, and you're going to have an assignment that says Regions of Texas Interactive Notebook Page. You're going to click on it, but it's going to be up to the side on the right side of the page. And your instructions are going to say to watch this video. When you click on the video, it's going to open, but we're going to read all the instructions first because that's a good idea to do whatever it says. You're going to read through it so you don't do something you're not supposed to do. So we're going to read through it. It says, watch the video Regions of Texas tour and learn about the different characteristics and names of the regions in Texas. When you're finished, click on the link below to make a copy of a page for your virtual interactive notebook. When you're finished, submit your assignment, which is going to be over here, and add the page to your online interactive notebook in your Google Drive. So what we need to do first is we're going to click on this link, and it's going to take us to the video that we're supposed to watch. So it's taken us there, and I'm going to go ahead and pause that. Okay, and you're going to pause this video and watch it. And you can see it's about 10 minutes. Okay, and I'm going to give you time to watch that. And now I'm going to come back over here. So we've watched it, and now it says again, to learn about the different characteristics and names of the regions in Texas. So now we're going to come down here, and we're going to click on this link to make a copy of this page. So it says, would you like to make a copy? And yes, you would, because you need to have this so you can make it and put it in your interactive notebook and submit a copy to me so you can grade it. So it's going to bring this page up after you click on that blue button. And then if you notice, it has this where it can't move. So just like last time, you're going to need to create a text box right here. And then you're going to need to create a text box right here. Another one right here. And then another one right here. And then you're going to go back and you're going to type in some information into those text boxes. And if it'll work with me. Doesn't want to work with me here. Let's make it a little bit bigger so maybe I can get my cursor in there. Doesn't want to work. But once you get it in there, you're going to type something in there. Okay, so it's typed something in there, and now that I've gotten it in there, I can make it a little smaller so it's in the right spot. I'm going to type something in there. I'm going to type something in there, and you're going to pretend that these are real notes Okay? Okay, so you've got your Regions of Texas notes. Okay? So after you do that, you're completed your notes and you want to come back over here to your Regions of Texas assignments, and you're going to submit right here. And if you're not sure how to do that, remember you can always come over here to this part of your classroom. And it says how-to guides for students. And we'll just click on that arrow and it says how to submit assignments on the web version. And it will open this page and it gives you the steps to submit your assignment if you're not sure how to do that. And it will show you how to submit them. And it says click on the assignment. That's opening it in Schoology. And then it'll say submit assignment, and that'll open that box. And you want to go to resources because you're going to submit it from your Google Drive. And it says import file from your Google Drive. And then you want to make sure that it's named correctly. And I've made a copy of the Regions of Texas notebook page, and that is how you're going to submit it. And then it's going to be added to your Google Drive, but it's not added to your notebook yet. So the only thing you would have to do is right click on it to copy it, and then open your interactive notebook and paste it into your interactive notebook. And that's how you would complete that assignment to create the interactive notebook Regions of Texas page. And I hope you guys are watching, and I hope this helps you. See you tomorrow.